The explosion on Fifth Avenue has confirmed casualties. Breaking news: an explosion on Fifth Avenue.
No, that's impossible. Fine. Let something happen.
The explosion on Fifth Avenue has confirmed casualties.
Looks like a gas leak. What are you?
Give it back!
You can hate me later, just not today. One coincidence is a coincidence.
What the hell are you doing? Give it back!
You can hate me later, just not today. It happened again. Come on!
Start explaining.
I write disasters. They happen.
That's not an explanation, that's a diagnosis.
Come on. Come on!
No! Not my shop!
It won't let me write happy endings. You're already late, Vivian! I told you. It only speaks in disasters.
At least dying is immediate. No.
The city will cover the damage.
I told you. It only speaks in disasters.
Then maybe we learn its language.
Why does that look wrong?
Marcus Hale's merger may reshape publishing, and now he's poised to swallow up every independent house left.
He didn't reshape Ray Publishing. He embalmed it.
You know him?
He sold my name, then buried my books.
Some writers outlive their relevance.
He wasn't just angry at Marcus. He was angry at the failure he'd become.
Why does that look wrong? It took red.
Every time you use it, it takes something.
What color is this?
Red, obviously.
Leaked ledgers suggest fraud. Investigation value plummets.
It took red.
Every time you use it, it takes something.
I can write without color.
Can you live without pieces of yourself?
Find me the rat!
He's writing again?
Why does that look wrong?
What happens if we stop?
Then Marcus wins, and I stay dead while breathing.
This part sounds clever, not true.
You actually read.
I sell flowers, not brain damage. This is good. Disturbingly good.
That used to be my job.
What happens if we stop?
Then Marcus wins, and I stay dead while breathing.
Then write. I'll read.
This coffee has no taste.
It doesn't grant wishes. It reroute disasters. Mr. Bell's illegal rear warehouse was sealed up due an emergency inspection.
This bought me some time.
This coffee has no taste.
Fortunately, I'm someone who writes, not someone who cooks.
How does it end?
That machine never taught me endings.
So that's your trick.
This draft is like it's alive.
Because it actually happened vividly.
Maybe this book can bring you back.
Deadline at midnight.
How does it end?
That machine never taught me endings.
So that's your trick.
Let him come to discuss cooperation.
Do we pressure him?
Pressure the woman.
Good to see you writing again.
You didn't call me here to reminisce.
You've become alarmingly predictive. You give me the manuscript, I give you protection.
You mean ownership?
I mean survival.
I'd rather take my chances with fiction.
Do we pressure him?
Pressure the woman.
Samuel? Samuel?
Just tired. What if this takes too much?
Then we stop before it takes all of you.
Writers are bad at stopping.
The warehouse center under Marcus has been sealed up.
The next station is Central Park. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
No, not hearing.
Samuel? Samuel? Samuel?
Just tired.
I won't be the reason you go blind, deaf, or hollow.
You think I'm doing this for the machine?
I think you're trying to save everyone except yourself. I won't be the reason you go blind, deaf, or hollow.
What if you already are the reason I keep going?
If only the original designer dropped out.
It hates mercy.
If only the original designer dropped out.
Can you take a same-day event?
It worked!
This thing is eating you alive.
Why do you keep coming back here?
Because somehow this is the safest, dangerous place I know. This thing is eating you alive.
Not yet.
I'm close.
Then finish the book before it finishes you.
It only needs to ruin him. He didn't predict it. He authored panic.
That won't hold in court.
It doesn't need to. It only needs to ruin him. This is the best thing you've ever written.
As a novelist, real-life disasters.
Vivian!
Relax. I'm a publisher, not scoundrel.
Touch her and I bury you.
Then write it. Midnight. My office. Bring everything.
If I save her this way, what's left of me to meet her?
Do not lose.
If I save her this way, what's left of me to meet her? This could go bad.
Good documentaries usually do. Vivian told me if she vanished, I should call you.
He never just wins. He performs winning.
This could go bad.
Good documentaries usually do.
You got me this far.
You wanted the manuscript.
You came. Romantic, stupid, but useful.
You wanted the manuscript.
You'll get the ending live.
You still think words matter.
To men like you, they're the only thing that ever did. Let's give the public a real ending. In the last chapter, the villain believed control was the same as authorship. He thought he could swallow the world by erasing the names of the original authors. But he was wrong. The story is not the author.
Cute. Fiction.
April 14, Shell vendor, 17 transfers. Let's give the public a real ending. Say hello to evidence.
Here he is, the washed-up genius.
The truth is, I didn't want to be a writer.
No one buys confession as literature.
Good. This isn't literature anymore.
Nora, nah, that's free and light.
The villain lost the moment he mistook the stage for a shield.
Hey!
Say hello to evidence.
Kill the feed!
It's mirrored everywhere.
You idiot.
Kill the feed!
It's mirrored everywhere.
You idiot.
Marcus Hale, step away from the desk.
This is a setup! You can't do this!
Targo. I can't hear you well.
Then I'll say it slowly.
Get him up. You think this makes you a writer again?
No, writing did that.
Let's go.
I can't hear you well.
Then I'll say it slowly. Will it come back?
Maybe not all of it. Maybe enough.
The morning was quiet.
You're just a machine now.
It stopped?
So did the deal.
Will it come back?
Maybe not all of it. Maybe enough. You were there for every page that mattered.
Anyone in mind?
One person. If I can get the sentence right.
This book is electric.
You were there for every page that mattered.
Can you hear me?
Most of you.
Not perfect, but improving.
Can you hear me?
Most of you. Still gone.
The case of Marcus Hale continues to escalate.
Big day? Not because of the book.
Oh, told you the book would live.
Thank you.
Big day?
Not because of the book.
Can you hear me now?
I can. I can hear you.
You wrote it.
No. You did.
Can you hear me now?
I can. I can hear you. Who am I signing this to?
Try listening carefully. To Vivian, the first reader.
Stay after?
I thought I already had.
I spent years trying to write a perfect ending. Turns out, I just had to live one.
I still can't smell them.
Then I'll tell you how they smell.
I spent years trying to write a perfect ending. Turns out, I just had to live one.